In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Google Ads search impression share. Increasing your search impression share is critical if you want to maximize the visibility of your ads and ensure they reach their full potential. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process that will help you achieve this goal. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. This is where you will find the tools needed to manage your campaigns and make necessary adjustments. If you're not already logged in, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your account credentials to access the Google Ads homepage. This homepage will serve as your dashboard where you'll perform all the actions to improve your ads performance. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention towards the top navigation bar and find the Tools section. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you will find various options related to campaign management. Here, select Budgets and Bidding. Adjusting budgets and bids is a key factor in increasing your search impression share, as it affects how often and when your ads are shown. Next, head over to the Adjustments section. This is where you will make crucial changes to optimize your campaigns. Within this section, analyze your current bids. Increasing your budgets appropriately might be necessary. Consider raising your bids for high-performance keywords or top-performing campaigns. By doing so, you enhance the competitiveness of your ad, thereby improving its rank on the search results page. An improved ad rank can lead to a higher impression share, meaning your ad will be seen more often by potential customers. Make sure to carefully evaluate the performance data for your keywords. Identify which keywords are performing well and which ones may need additional support. It's important to strategically adjust your bids based on this data. If you notice particular times or devices that drive more conversions, adjust your bidding strategy accordingly to take full advantage of these insights. Once adjustments are made, monitor the performance of your ads over the coming days and weeks. Keep a close eye on how your impression share is changing as a result of these adjustments. This will help you determine what is working and what might still need a bit of tweaking. Remember, optimizing search impression share is an ongoing process that requires regular adjustments and refinements. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns and ensuring your ads reach a wider audience. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to keep experimenting with different strategies to achieve the best performance possible.